All systems are operational for the shift. Automated guidance systems active.
Extreme precision guides every cut, carving aircraft-grade aluminum for a seamless, unibody design. This is where engineering meets art. Precision is the core of modern industrial manufacturing. Every frame requires a flawless, smooth finish. This is where art meets automation.
High-precision laser marking. Fiber lasers etch indelible serial numbers. This ensures lifelong traceability. The process takes just seconds. Inside this ultra-clean environment, precision optics are brought to life. Every lens element is crafted to microscopic tolerances. This is where perfect imaging begins.
Precision at the micron level is no longer humanly possible. Every camera module is meticulous synchronized robotics, guaranteeing absolute perfect focus every single time. Every sensor undergoes rigorous inspection. Microscopic defects are eliminated. This ensures maximum pixel performance, pushing the limits of imaging. Inside this ultra-clean environment, OLED panels are crafted with microscopic precision. Every pixel is perfectly activated, bringing vibrant displays to life.
Precision is non-negotiable. Every sheet undergoes high-speed laser scanning. Sub-micron anomalies are detected instantly, guaranteeing flawless optical clarity. Inside this ultra-sterile environment, engineers push the boundaries of physics. Here, microprocessors are built atom by atom, powering the future of human technology. Inside this ultra-clean environment, the future of computing is born. EUV lithography, Gopik circuits. This is architectural design at the nanometer, pushing the absolute limits of physics. Every microchip undergoes rigorous automated testing. Precision probes verify billions of connections in seconds. This ensures flawless performance in the field. Quality defined at the nanoscale. Precision at the microscopic level. Each module is mounted with absolute flawless accuracy, powering the next generation of global computing.
Inside these machines, precision meets extreme speed. Thousands of components are placed every hour. At this scale, human hands are obsolete. Every component is placed with absolute precision. This is the exact birthplace of the future.
Precision is paramount in modern electronics. Automated systems place components with micron-level accuracy. Inside the reflow oven, controlled heat profiles melt the solder paste.
This system finds defects that the human eye simply cannot see.
Inside this ultra-detailed facility, precision takes on a whole new meaning. Advanced robotics assemble the next generation of energy storage. Welcome to the future of clean technology.
Safety is not an option. It is the foundation of everything we build, subjecting every cell to extreme stress.
We push the limits so you don't have to.
Precision is at the heart of every module we build. Each component is meticulously inspected. Acoustic testing ensures perfect sound fidelity, ready for the world's most demanding ears.
At this scale, precision is measured in microns. Every sensor is mapped to guarantee absolute security.
At the heart of this sensor is the infrared dot projector. It integrates with the true-depth camera assembly, projecting over 30,000 invisible dots. This creates a perfect map of your face.
Within this micro-world, there is no room for error. Connections are made with absolute robotic precision. Each conductor aligns perfectly to ensure flawless data.
Precision is the foundation of modern architecture. Here, the motherboard meets its aluminum chassis. Perfect alignment ensures flawless performance.
Precision is non-negotiable here. Each battery cell is positioned within a fraction of a millimeter. This is where human design meets flawless execution.
Precision at this scale requires absolute robotic perfection. Each camera module is aligned to the micron. Precision is non-negotiable when it comes to excluding moisture. Our automated systems apply a flawless, continuous barrier, ensuring absolute reliability. Precision is paramount in modern manufacturing. This automated system applies a flawless, waterproof barrier. Precision is not just a goal, it's the foundation of everything we build. Every component is secured to absolute perfection. Every display undergoes rigorous calibration. We measure brightness and color accuracy. This ensures perfect visual consistency, delivering the ultimate viewing experience.
Reliability is non-negotiable. The false acceptance rate is within limits. Every scan maps 30,000 invisible dots. 30,000 invisible dots.
Every unit undergoes rigorous acoustic testing. This frequency sweep checks for even the slightest distortion. Only perfect sound makes the cut.
Efficiency is key. Magnetic induction is tested to ensure perfect power delivery. Precision is key in aerodynamic impact testing. Dropping in 3, 2, 1. Precision is not just a goal, it is our absolute standard. Every device must withstand extreme pressure, guaranteeing pure performance. We push every component to its absolute limit to ensure reliability under extreme conditions. This is where survival is proven. Activating core systems. Initiating automated diagnostic sequence. All parameters within optimal range. System ready. Modern automation ensures perfect precision. Every box is sealed to exact standards, maximizing efficiency in every shift.
Let's check this batch.
Calipers are ready.
Perfect, within tolerance.
Let's get these pallets loaded. We have a tight schedule today. Watch the clearance on the left.
Inside this highly detailed factory, a journey begins. Massive cargo aircraft bridge the gap between continents. Precision logistics guide every kilometer, connecting the world, one delivery at a time.
Every year, millions of people share this exact same moment. The pure, unadulterated joy of the unboxing. This is the scale of absolute precision, where human thousands of devices, moving as one, fabricating the future, one frame at a time.